Okay, so I posted a picture on Instagram and a bunch of you guys asked for a tutorial, so here it is. And so to start this off, you're going to want to section your hair and you're going to want to pull it over to the side to see if you need either more hair or less hair. As you can see, I needed a little bit more hair as I was going through, so I'll pull some more out, and you're going to want to slick that to the side to see if you need more hair, if you need less hair, pretty much that. And then I'm just going to put all of that, or cover all of that in gel. So now I'm just going to start working on my ponytail, and I'm just going to slick my hair all around and put a ponytail not too far up but not too far back, pretty much at the top of my head, and I'm just going to leave it as a ponytail. So then I'm going to go back and I'm going to work on my swoop, and I'm going to brush it down and slick it as best as I can. And it's going to be hard to get all of it slicked. That's why you should grab not that much hair, because when you brush your hair down, it's going to spread out. But when you do that, make sure that you put a lot of gel on your hair so that you can get it as slick as possible. And as soon as you get it slick, wrap it in a scarf. And as you can see, I didn't do anything to the end. There's still a piece of hair sticking out of my scarf that was from the swoop, the end of the swoop. And what I'm going to do with that is when I do my bun, the end is going to get pulled in the bun, but I'm also going to take a bobby pin to secure it. So as you can see, you pretty much have the basic swoop, but it's not totally flat. So you're going to want to go back in with gel and fix any gaps. Like I had a gap, so just fix the gap and do your baby hairs. And if it's not stiff enough and if it keeps moving like mine did, put your scarf back on for another 5 minutes and you should be good. So that's all for the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.